एक बार फिर से आप सभी का स्वागत है फाइनेंस गुरु के चैनल पर। और लेटेस्ट अपडेट मैं लेकर आई हूँ न्यू ईपीएफओ पेंशन रूल्स, जिसकी जानकारी मैं आपको डिटेल में दूंगी इस वीडियो में। तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नॉलेज के लिए वीडियो को अंत तक देखिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, जिससे ऐसी और अपडेट मैं आपको टाइम टू टाइम अपने चैनल के माध्यम से देती रहती हूँ। तो आइए जानते हैं वो क्या न्यू पेंशन रूल्स है ऑफ ईपीएफओ। EPFO PF withdrawal rules 2025. For now, one can safely say that those who work in India have the PF account. PF is open to all the people concerned in India. The PF accounts are operated under the Employee Provident Fund Organization EPFO. These accounts are also considered a kind of a saving scheme. Every month, 12% of government employees' salary goes into this account. The employer also contributes the same amount into this account. In this context, let us know more about how the pensions will help and what are the changes in pension plans. When to withdraw against PF account, let it be declared before all of you that definitely you may withdraw against the PF account whenever you need it. Following that, up to 10 years contribution to the EPF, you are eligible to receive the pension. But if you withdraw after the late time, then it is cut out from your pension. In this context, let us tell you what are the pension rules of EPFO and how much money will required to withdraw your from and not to earn the pension amount. PF will be closed if the entire amount is withdrawal. All these accounts have been established in a way where there is a deposit of 12% of salary in the account of PF account holder by their employees, i.e. the company. In such a case, the company contributes 12% only. 8.33% is diverted to the pension fund EPS of the PF account holder. Apart from this, the remaining 3.67% value is directly marked from the PF accounts. So if you withdraw entire amount, your account will be closed. Thus, this is said that the PF account holder earns pension when she contributes to this account for a decade. Now, if he is irrelevant and stops from the account or due to any other reason, it's also have to be said that if he withdraws the whole amount of the PF account and somewhere EPS fund is left intact, he stands pension. Otherwise, the amount of both EPS and PF is taken by him. Then he does not enjoy any pension post retirement. Eligibility for PF account holders for pensioners, and it is very clear that under rule of EPFO, Employee Provident Fund Organization, an employee has to be depositing money in the PF account for a minimum period of 10 years to become eligible for a pension. The same employee can claim for pension after reaching 50 years of age. So this was all about the PF scheme and PF updates.